Here are the top 5 ways that we see you can get commercial cleaning contracts to build your cleaning business in 2025. If you don't know who I am, my name is Matt. I'm your 7-figure commercial cleaning CEO. I built my own commercial cleaning business from the ground up into the 7 figures. So what you're gonna learn in this video are the actual methods that are working the best currently to get those commercial cleaning contracts. You're not just gonna get a list of random ideas. These are the ones that we are seeing work. Now, it's not to say that other methods aren't effective or that they don't work. And in fact, based on your market conditions, your company, and your budget, other methods might be better in your specific scenario, which is what we cover inside of our 7-figure blueprint for building a commercial cleaning company that's called Janitorial Millionaire. We have over 40 different trainings and videos that includes downloads and tons of hours on how to do this in your company. But if you want to know what's working generally in almost every single scenario that is continually providing quote opportunities and walkthroughs and landing commercial cleaning contracts in the market right now, then that's what we're going to cover in this video. Now, before we do jump into the 5 that do work, I'm going to give you 3 really quick that you should avoid, in my opinion, at this time, that are just going to hurt your wallet, give you a headache, and cause you pain. Now, these 3 to avoid that I'm going to give you are typically touted as reliable lead sources, specifically when you're building a residential cleaning business. But when you transition to commercial, it's a completely different game. So if you are in that transition, or if you're tempted by the results of other residential cleaning companies, it is not the same. So here's the first one. It is Facebook ads. Facebook ads work great for residential cleaning businesses because there are plenty of people browsing at work, browsing at home, doing things that individual people do, families do. They're in a residential mindset typically. You're typically not going to be able to easily reach a defined set of specific office managers on Facebook. Now, that's also not to say that you couldn't get any leads at all, because you certainly can get leads from Facebook, but compared to all the other marketing methods that are out there, not just these 5 I'm going to give you, but all the other ones that I share inside of Janitorial Millionaire, it does not stack up. So Facebook ads for residential, great. For commercial, it's not nearly as effective. The same goes for this next one. It's actually a little bit deceptive on Google's part, because this is where you have local service ads. You see, a lot of these remote cleaning coaches and remote cleaning courses will tout local service ads because they do get a ton of traffic. But again, they are very residential. But you also will notice, if you go through the process of setting it up, that there is a subcategory under the house cleaning portion called office cleaning. Now, we tested this out to the tune of thousands and thousands of dollars, and we got no commercial leads out of that office cleaning category for local service ads. Google may fix this later at a different time, and I'll be sure to let you know as soon as I do. But the problem is, because office cleaning is a subcategory of house cleaning, even if you uncheck all of the other house cleaning options around it, you're still a subcategory of house cleaning. All that we got were calls for cleaning basements, cleaning houses, doing move-in, move-out cleanings just on houses. We do not want to mess with those. We're looking for large recurring janitorial contracts. They are not going through local service ads, at least at the time of filming this video. And then the third one to avoid are these lead platforms that claim to give you commercial cleaning leads. These are Thumbtack, Bark, Angie's List, and anything along those lines. From what we've tested out and from what we've seen, it's extremely rare to get contracts out of these platforms. And what's funny is we got more requests from people looking for jobs out of those platforms, looking to work for us as a commercial cleaning company, rather than looking to pay us for our services. I've only seen it happen 2 times where commercial cleaning owners actually got a good lead out of those platforms. Just like with Google, this could always change in the future. It's just what's going on right now. All right, so save you some time, save you some money. Let's talk about actually growing now. What is working? Now, everyone knows this first one, but the kicker is they do it wrong. And so the first one is Google Ads, but what I like to say is commercial specific Google Ads. And to give contrasting examples here, we've seen many times where someone has hired a Google Ads expert who has ran successful Google Ads for, say, someone selling a bunch of shoes online, or someone selling courses online, someone selling all these other things or these digital products. But when they get to selling commercial cleaning services, they treat it the same as those other types of businesses with different product sizes and different, more consumer-ended clients instead of business clients. And so when they try to take that model and do Google Ads the same way as they were doing it for those others, it just wastes the owner's money. And now let's contrast that with what happens, and I can give you the example of my company here. When you take a commercial B2B specific approach for our industry with Google Ads, we spent approximately $8,000 on our Google Ads last year. And we ended up winning out of that over $500,000 in commercial cleaning contracts. And what's funny about that is, if you're looking at this chart right here, we actually got hit by a big flood here in Asheville, if you weren't aware of the Hurricane Helene. And so we actually cut off our ads to that whole recovery process. So we didn't even have a complete year of running Google Ads. Look, if you want to turn on a faucet that produces commercial cleaning leads for your business, yes, it's going to cost you a little bit of money. But if you can get an enormous return on the backside, right? We spent $8,000 to get $500,000 in contracts. That's worth it. If you want to learn my specific approach that generated these results for my business, you can check out the links down below. Okay, Google Ads are great, but they can only do so much with capturing demand that's already out there in the market, right? It's just catching the people who are making searches, who are interested and actively looking, but there's still an enormous amount of facility managers and contacts in your market that maybe haven't come to that point yet in order to look for a commercial cleaning service. But if they receive something, that might trigger a discussion. That leads to the second method. I actually did a video on this last year that was all about how we generated over $500,000. It must be the theme of last year, right? Every time we did something, we got $500,000 out of it. We didn't really get $500,000 out of everything we did, but in this scenario, we did get approximately $500,000 in quote requests out of cold email. And by the way, that was in a single month. Now, just like with Google Ads, there's a very specific approach to this, but first, I do want to clarify that cold email is not the same as cold calling. It's far more scalable because it takes much less time once it's set up. You don't have to spend days and hours just sitting there doing all this research and calling and dialing. It saves you an enormous amount of time, and it can run without you. It doesn't take a bunch of training to do. It doesn't take a bunch of skill to do. All it takes is getting a system set up and clicking the button to make it go. So in order to make cold email actually generate leads for your commercial cleaning business, you have to have two things right. The first thing is you need the right system. The mistake that a lot of cleaning business owners make is they pick a CRM like Constant Contact, or they pick something like MailChimp. There are these platforms that have a high domain credibility, so they can send a lot of emails that always land in the inbox. But the downside of that is they protect that sendability. So if they find out that you're trying to reach out to thousands of people every single day who have never heard of you that could be marking you as spam, they're going to cut you out of those platforms. So you need a system that's designed to send cold email only. And what we actually use at the time of filming this video is we use Instantly. I'll put a link for you in the description down below so that you can try it for free. But that's what we use to send thousands upon thousands of cold emails every single day in our company. Now, the second part that must be right is the leads. Yes, you can have a great system, you can have a great message, but if it's not going to good email addresses or valid email addresses or to the right contacts or to enough contacts, then it's not going to be effective. It's going to be a waste. Now, there are multiple places that you can get leads, but my very favorite of all time has been Zoom Info. And just like with Instantly, you can try it out for free. I believe you can even pull a free list or so many free contacts to try it yourself. You can do that at the link in the description down below. The reason I love Zoom Info for pulling leads is because you can actually categorize who you exactly want to target and where. You can go into job titles, into specific companies. You can go into specific company sizes, company types, everything that you want to capture and say, this is my target person that I want to send these emails to. You can do that in Zoom Info. And then the really neat thing with that is whenever we vetted Zoom Info's lead quality versus other systems, it had the highest. And we tend to get a much higher response from the email campaigns that involve Zoom Info emails as opposed to others. I don't know how they do it, but we love the leads from Zoom Info, so check it out. Now, this third one doesn't involve anything technical. It's something that anybody can go do, but it's just a different angle on your market. Now, don't write this off as soon as you hear me say it, because a lot of people will hear this as a piece of advice, but they're going to approach it completely wrong. The next best way to get incredible commercial cleaning leads, and we're talking multi-six-figure stuff, is through referrals. Now, here's what I mean by these referrals. Each of those facilities that you want to be in also has people they already work with. And I'm not talking about competitors. I'm talking about pressure washers, carpet cleaners, HVAC companies, vendors that are already in their systems and already have the relationships. What we like to do is build relationships with those vendors. Take their salespeople out to lunch. Take their owner out to lunch. Bring their office some food. Make them your friends. Become their recommended commercial cleaning company. When most business owners think of referrals or networking, they think of just going to some networking events or BNI or the Chamber of Commerce or anything like that. And they're just hoping that someone either wants to buy their services or send them something. Well, you could get those to work, but those aren't the top methods, because the top method is building the specific targeted relationships with those that you can directly benefit, right? Because you can be someone that is a contractor with them. And they're going to be much more open to a discussion with you and building a relationship with you than a client who, in order to build a relationship, needs to spend $100,000 on a contract. So get to know specific business owners, specific company representatives in your area. We've gotten an enormous amount of business from our referral network. I would actually say that we've gotten the most amount of business from our referral network. Now, this next one is going to sound a little bit like Google Ads, but it is distinctly different. And it takes a distinctly different approach. This one is called local SEO. And all that simply means is showing up at the top on Google Maps. Google Ads will put you at the very top of the page, but local SEO will put you right there at the organic top. And the reason that this is so effective is because people trust this more than just about anything else. They know what Google Ads look like, and you still get great leads, like I said, out of your Google Ads, but you can get even more, and we actually get a lot more quotes out of our local SEO results. Now, you do have to get a bit technical in order to do this. Again, this is material that we cover inside of our 7-figure blueprint inside of Janitorial Millionaire. But a software service that we like to use in our company to do this is called Bright Local. It's about making you shine locally on the map, right? Bright Local. So check out the link for it down below. We noticed a difference when we started ranking on the first page and then at the top in the Asheville area, how much more leads and the quality of those leads that we started to get. Now, this last one here is one I don't hear very many people talk about, and it's what I call vendor portals. Vendor portals are your government websites, your hospital systems, these large property management organizations, these companies that have many vendors, possibly hundreds of vendors in each city. And all that you need to do is sign up to be a part of their portal. And yes, you might need to reach out to those organizations to ask how you can get signed up as a vendor, but it's not the same as a cold call, because you're not trying to get them to give you an appointment or to establish follow-up or whatever your sales process is. This is as simple as getting notified whenever opportunities do come available for janitorial contracts in that organization. To be clear on this is a top 5 way of getting commercial cleaning contracts because of the sheer volume of opportunities that you can come across inside of these portals. But also, you're going to be going up against some other companies who have experience in these and who might have some relationships already. And it can vary depending on the government entity, whether it's a city, county, state, or federal, or if it's a different organization. But it's free to do this, and it costs you nothing to get access to all those contract opportunities. If you want a clear path to build a 7-figure commercial cleaning company, check out the link down below to work with me to get access to our system. That's where you can get all the details on these tactics as well as many, many others. And you can have my help along the way, and we can actually help you build something great. And if trying to get to 7 figures seems like too much for you and you'd be happy in the high 6 figures or mid 6 figures, wherever it is, then that's fine too. We have many owners who just want to own a cleaning business that's a blessing, that allows them to live a good life and a free life that runs primarily on its own and that's happy to own. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Matt, your 7-figure commercial cleaning CEO. I'm here to help you build an incredible commercial cleaning business. I hope that these tips helped you out. Be sure to like and subscribe. And until next time, keep building.